My name's Dave Carroll. I'm the sales manager for TMEC Services. It's my responsibility to bring a project from start to finish for the customer. Here at Bribie Island, we've got a 100 panel install for our PHONO Helios panels. And the reason we've selected these panels is because of the salt mist testing and the hail testing, obviously, in this region was a big proposition towards the customer because Banksia Beach is obviously affected by both, and this customer lives right on the canal. I love selling PHONO panels purely because the trust in the brand. So I know that the panel we're going to put on the roof is going to be reliable, consistent, and give performance for years to come. We've been so impressed by PHONO and supply partners' sales and technical support that we've actually decided to become the PHONO Premium Partner for the Sunshine Coast. Having the exclusivity with both PHONO and supply partners, it helps us keep that sustainable margin with a premium product. In fact, now it's the only panel we'll install.